Hey YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. We about to do some new things on my channel. I had to put this nose ring back in because the other one's messing up. So yeah, it might look like I have a booger in my nose. But hi guys, as you can see, I'm in the car. My hair is in need of therapy. I am about to get my first haircut in a shop in a while. I haven't had a haircut in a shop since like high school, so they used to have this little underneath cut. So today it's gonna be a first in many years because I'm old. So I'm about to cut this. Dudes be just rude. I'm about to cut this off. We'll cut this down. Probably cut the sides off. Can y'all see me with no sides? I don't know. We will see. So I'm going to vlog it for you guys. And yeah, I'm pretty excited because I need this cut. But okay, enough talking. I talk too much. I will see you guys later. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and share. You're very soft, actually. I'm back. He did an amazing job. I feel so like crisp and clean. But yeah, shout out to him. I will be definitely putting his information in the description box below. Thank you guys for coming on this journey with me. I had fun. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and share. Whew, I was cold, so I came in the car, and now I'm hot. But thank you guys. Better. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and share. Okay, please do that. We have more in store. Oh, y'all want to see the fit? Hold on. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. Hold on. It's long. But okay. Bye.